All right, here we go. Week number 4. All right, let's see who is our first one at the bottom of the pyramid. Now, third period. Now, y'all, I feel like I've consistently called out the same people over and over and over again. And I am at a loss for third period because there is so many people in there that need to get their life together. There's not just one, there's not just two. We have a good probably 7 of y'all that need to get your life together. Okay? I'm not saying this for me, I'm saying this for you. All right? Armand, Tyler, Caden, Carter, Hayden, Tomas, Blaine, and I'm sure there's others to add in this list. We need to start doing better. Not just whenever I tell you, but we need to start taking more responsibility for our actions in general. Okay? Now, next. First period. Now, Monday, I let some people eat some snacks in here, and I wrote down that y'all left trash everywhere, and we were consistently pretty loud all week, especially on the days where I was actually trying to actively teach and get up here and do notes. Y'all were loud, y'all were engaged, but y'all are also loud. So that's one of my biggest things, my biggest goals for y'all's class. Let's bring down that voice level a little bit, and let's get a little bit more quiet in here, but other than that, I mean, I don't really have a lot of cons to give y'all besides the fact that y'all did leave my room a mess on Monday after you left. Don't know how. That's just how it is. All right, next. Oh, wrong way. 9th period. Now, 9th period. I put on here, Jaden, Slade, y'all just need to get it together. Y'all are over here at this table and y'all are continually interrupting me, and it's not for my own benefit or your own benefit. It's for this class as a whole. And I'm just trying to get this environment to a place where we can be efficiently learning, and y'all are not helping with that. So I think we could do a little bit better on that end. Also, y'all's binders were a complete mess after y'all left on Tuesday. So keep that in mind next week when you're putting your binders away. Y'all have 2 crates dedicated to your class. Utilize them and do what you're supposed to do. Okay? Next, middle of the pyramid, we have 8th period. 8th period, you're doing better. You're not being as loud. I feel like you're taking me more seriously. We do need to work on, stop asking me for snacks so much, okay? Because that's honestly getting annoying. I don't have enough money to feed all of you. Other than that, y'all been pretty good. Y'all been getting your work done. And however, I will say during notes, if we could stop interrupting, that would be great. Other than that, y'all been doing better. So good job, 8th period. Next, 6th period. 6th period. Y'all were fantastic during the observation on Thursday. And I can't thank you enough for that. Everybody was on task. Everybody did what they were supposed to. Y'all were paying attention and y'all were collaborating. And the most important thing, y'all were using your notes and talking with your peers and learning, okay? Biggest thing, y'all were learning, and I'm very proud of y'all. However, prior to the observation, we still have a few people that are unmotivated, that just all they want to do is sleep. And I'm not telling you this for my own benefit, but I'm telling you this for your own benefit. I'm trying to set you up for success for the rest of your high school career. So take that with a grain of salt, but y'all did amazing during the observation. I couldn't have asked for a better group of kids. Good job. And the last one on the top of the pyramid this week is 7th period. Now, 7th period. Monday, y'all did leave the class a complete mess. However, Tuesday, I wrote down, honestly, y'all were great, and y'all worked the whole time quietly with your groups. Wednesday, y'all were great for notes. There were minimum amount of people that were interrupting me, okay? We were able to successfully finish all the notes, and y'all finished the practice. Y'all have been overall quieter this week. We stopped acting out more. Everything has been great. There's just, a couple people who are a little bit loud. Other than that, I feel like I've seen a lot of growth in y'all's group, and I'm really proud of y'all. And I think we're heading in the right direction of where I want y'all to be. So good job, 7th period. And that is a wrap. Peace out.